Hi guys, this is Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lesson 16. In this lesson we talk about being able to use counting on to solve for the missing part in addition sentences. Now today in class what we did was we played this little game called I Wish I Had to kind of get us in the groove of counting on and being able to do that. So first we saw how many dots we had. So let's count how many dots we have first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. Okay, so we have 5 dots, but I really wish that I had 7 dots. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to put 5 in our brain, and we're going to count on until we get to 7. And I'm going to add circles as we count and add a new number. Okay, so we have 5, so 5 in your brain. What comes after 5? So 5, 6, 7. So we know that 7 was how many that we wanted. Okay, how many do we have to add? We had to add 2. So we counted on 2 times to be able to get to 7. So we know that 5 plus 2 equals 7. Okay, now let's look at this with number sentences or with addition sentences. And we can do the same thing here. It's 6 plus blank equals 8. So we have 6, but we really want 8. Okay, so we're going to put 6 in our brain, and we're going to count on until we get to 8. So put 6 in your brain, so 6, 7, 8. Now, I'm putting dots down here because you guys can't see my fingers whenever I'm counting. But I tell my kiddos for each new number, they put up a new finger. So my dots represent how many fingers I have up. So you should have 6 and then 7. Whenever we say 7, you put up a finger. And then whenever we say 8, you put up another finger. So right now you guys should have 2 fingers up. And that lets you know that you counted up twice to get to 8. So you needed 2 more to get to 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. Let's do one more. 7 plus blank equals 10. So we have 7, but we really want 10. Okay, well let's count on. Now remember, you guys can do this with me by using your fingers. I'm just going to do circles so you guys can see that. So put 7 in your brain. 7 is how many we have right now. So 7, and we're trying to get to 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so you guys should have 3 fingers up because we said we had to go up 3 numbers to get to 10. So that means we know that 7 plus 3 equals 10. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video.